G'day folks, today we're going to have a look at this Tenda 48 port plus 2 SFP port Ethernet switch. I was looking for some details on the internet. This is specified as 48 watts max, but experiments have shown that advertised power consumption differs, especially since most of the time this will be sitting idle. So I thought I would actually measure it, and I'm sure if I was interested in the power consumption, others would probably be also interested. So we'll just pull this out of the box. Quite a weighty thing. 48 ports. Certainly looks the part. Let's get some power on. Have to break into the plastic while it looks. Oh yeah, it's not too bad. So I'm hoping it comes in way less than 48 watts. And what do we got? Well, that's a good start, I guess. A few lights flashed, maybe it's up and running. Got a light here. 13.5. I'll put it in the closet and hook up a whole bunch of devices and see what sort of power it consumes then. Get back to you later. So we got several interfaces connected, sort of half a dozen or whatever, 12 maybe, and 15.1 watts. On the specs it's 48 watts max, so 15, I'm pretty happy with 15 watts. $75 a year.